Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put frames on chests in Minecraft. First, you'll need to craft an item frame using 8 sticks and 1 piece of leather. Once crafted, place a chest on any solid block. Then, simply right-click the chest with the item frame in your hand. This action will securely attach the frame to the front of your storage unit, ready for organization. Now that your item frame is attached, it's time to organize. Choose an item from your inventory that best represents what you've stored inside the chest. For example, if it's a chest full of wood, select a wood block. Right-click the item frame with this chosen item, and it will instantly appear within the frame, clearly labeling your chest's contents for easy identification. Did you know you can rotate items within the frame? If you right-click an item that's already placed in an item frame, it will rotate by 45 degrees. There are 8 distinct rotational positions available, allowing for creative and precise adjustments. This small detail can significantly enhance the aesthetic appeal of your storage area, making your organization both functional and visually engaging. Using item frames on chests offers several great benefits. You can quickly identify the contents of any chest at a glance, saving you valuable time and effort. This method also significantly improves the visual organization and aesthetic appeal of your storage areas. It's a simple yet effective way to make your Minecraft world more efficient and enjoyable, transforming cluttered spaces into well-ordered havens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.